Alrighty, so you have been tasked to make a website for your curation project, and it's supposed to have a title. It's supposed to have two areas for text, one for a piece of the poem and one for a piece of whatever speech or memoir you're going to use, and then three areas for components that you think are linked or reflect these two, speech excerpt or poem excerpt up here. You're saying, how am I going to do this? Well, it's really quite easy. All you have to do is open a new tab, go to your waffle over here, waffle, and then open Google Sites right here. The first thing you want to do is come up here to this blank plus sign and click it. Now, you have the makings of a website in Google Sites. First thing you want to do is come up here and title your website, and you're going to call it Curation Project. And then down here, you're going to put your page title. And your page title should be The Hill We Climb Curation. Now, make sure it looks just like that. Make sure you have the title of your poem in with the proper capitalization and in quotation marks and the word curation underneath. There you go. Now, looking back at mine, you need two areas for text. So, let's click back here, and you're going to click a text box here, and then you're going to click it again. So there's two. So they're hard to see, but you can see there are two. So click inside this first one and go to the blue dot and drag it over to the middle. Now, click inside this next one, and you're going to see 8 dots right here, and you're going to be able to move this up and see how the blue shaded area changes as you move it. You want the blue shaded area to be right there next to your first text box. So now you have two text boxes, and they will expand to house your two texts that you're going to copy and paste. Then you need this down here. Media, text, media, text, media, text. So you're going to come back here and you're going to click over here. See these three little mountains with lines underneath? That's the one you want. So click it, and there it goes. It's there. Okay, you're going to be able to upload pictures, videos, web pages, what have you, into here. And then down here, you're going to be able to write your text for all three different sources that you find. So eventually, it's going to look like this because you've already got it formatted. So it's going to look nice and clean. Now, if you want to play around, if you don't like this color, that's fine. You can come over to themes, and you can change the color, and maybe you want it to be this one down here, and you want to change the font style to that. Whatever you want to do is fine, okay, with the themes. But you must have this title. You must have two areas for your poem excerpt, and either you want a speech or the memoir excerpt, and you've got to have these three areas. Okay, yes, this is the setup you must use. The only thing you can change is over here in themes, and that's it. It's not that hard. Once you're done, you're going to click publish. Once you're done, you're not done yet. You're going to click publish and just say there. You'll type in something else. It should say Curation Project, but it's not filling for some reason right now. And you're going to click Publish. And down here, it's going to say View. So you want to keep View, and this is the link right here that you are going to submit for your project. This link. And that's it. All done.